Hello, so good to meet you at our global motivational meeting. We are reading World Scriptures book. It's God's words that inspire billions of people, families, communities, countries, and the whole world. And will help you to just read these quotes and practice in daily life. Think about them that God could give you tips for happy life and prosperous future. As we're reading this holy book from the beginning, please find all the chapters at our Message to Billion channel. You may turn on suggestion playlists, choose the best one, and listen God's words. Stay blessed all the day. As we're reading now about society, leadership, and government, let's see what God prepared for us today. Just and merciful punishments. First quote: human punishment is execrable even when just. Another quote: a sovereign should not inflict excessive punishment. Another quote: the superior man gives careful thought to his judgments and is thoroughly in sentencing people to death. Another quote: whoever strikes a man so that he dies shall be put to death. But if he did not lie in vain for him, but God let him fall into his hand, then I will appoint for you a place to which he may flee. But if a man willingly attack another to kill him treacherously, you shall take him from my altar that he may die. Another quote: oh, you who believe, equal recompense is prescribed for you in case of murder. A free man for a free man, a slave for a slave, a woman for a woman. But if any remission is made by the brother of the slain, that grant any reasonable demand and compensate him with handsome gratitude. This is a concession and a merciful from you, Lord. Father will read quotes from the second coming Messiah, Reverend Sun Moon. When the state executes someone who commits a capital crime, it is not thereby guilty of the crime of killing a human being. Why not? The government carried out the execution under public status enacted for the benefit of society, being sanctioned by laws that were enacted to benefit the nation and the world. The execution may be justified. I envision the day when all nations are united under world government like the United Nations and agree on a world standard of law. A person who commits a crime will receive shifted punishment. He or she will be sent away to a facility near the North Pole or the South Pole. Their convicts are quarantined like patients with leprosy or SARS and provided with food to last only 1 year. In that hellish environment, they are trained to survive, and through suffering hardship, they are educated in the heavenly way. That education elevates their character and restores them to the people who will abide by the law for the rest of their lives. The American legal system has a provision for criminals to be pardoned. How about in the ideal universal legal system? Can a convicted criminal receive pardon? Yes, it is possible, but to be entitled to receive it, he should sacrifice and serve. In that case, the law shows mercy, and the person can make a new start down the path of a reformed life. So powerful quotes for today. If you have difficulties, please watch on time this video or share this video as we end this billion happy life subscribers marathon. Contact me for consultation, cooperation, and be a member of this Heavenly Parents Holy Community globally. receive Heavenly Kingdom citizenship right now, the contact is below. We are working globally, uniting people and organization for global peace by 2027. Be part of it, of the history. See you tomorrow. Till then, turn on suggestion playlist, choose the best one, and listen God's word. Stay blessed all the day. Bye bye for now. Yours, Nicolae.